And hello, dear students. Welcome to the Heartful Adizes Leadership Foundation course. And I will guide you through our Moodle platform where we organized self-study for you. So I'll show first essentials because as with any gadgets, there are just few you really need to advance in the course. And at the end, I will show you around for some additional features in a Moodle platform. And as a bonus, so that you watch to the end, there will be something really interesting and valuable at the very end. Please watch till the end. And this is our course. You can see the introduction. On the right side, there are upcoming events, so you don't forget something that is essential. You can go there in the calendar and import these activities in your calendar of choice. And what is most essential in this course? We have 6 topics for you, and in each topic there are 4 activities that you have to go through. You watch video materials that we prepared for you. Mostly that's Dr. Adizes speaking, and here you have multiple pages to look through. You see on the right are more, but that's just for the first topic. We have substantial materials available for you. Then when you got it through, you remembered what you know, learned something more, we have an assignment for you. You see it has multiple phases, but basically you have to submit. You see it always will be written your assignment. This case, there are questions on materials that have been submitted. Later on, we'll go through different cases, and you have questions on use cases, which you have to submit your answers to. You might copy it from somewhere else. When you're done, you click Save Changes, but then you have to assess your peers. You can see that my instructions for assessment and assess another student there. I read this really comprehensive answer, and I can provide my assessment. So I think, yes, this is really good, perfect, really nice. But although it is something that I marked as a perfect score, I really encourage you to give comprehensive feedback so that it is understandable for a person when where it went good or wrong. Really nice feedback. So what went well? And then you have something that you might want to improve. If you don't find anything to improve, please elaborate on what went really well. I can save this and close and save and show next to advance to the next one. I see, oh, the answers are not so much comprehensive, so I mark it down really low, but nevertheless, I provide comprehensive feedback. Probably there will not be so much on what went well. There is more to improve in such cases when you feel like it's not a perfect score from assessment wise. You've done your work for a week and you get back to the course. So first you watch videos, then you submitted your answer and assessed your peers. Then when time comes, usually on Fridays, Central European time, 4 o'clock, we have a Zoom webinar session. So you follow this link 5 or 10 minutes before the time, so that we can start 4 o'clock sharp. And here you can find how to use desktop and how to use Zoom web client. And below are the schedule of our meetings, and you can import the schedule of these meetings in your calendar of choice. So we have this meeting. We have been doing really nice and exciting group work, and afterwards I will remind you to submit your reinforcement. So everybody goes and say, yes, I feel good. So my assessment is like 10 out of 10 for this session. I learned specific. Other students reading your feedback could grasp your point of view, and so that we are creating the content of this course together. So you submit your answers on this reinforcement. In a while, you can come in and see other student answers and their assessments. You can see it in a little bit another view. It's completely anonymous, but there is valuable content on what feedback you specifically provided. And that's basically it for every topic. What we are going through is study materials, do some homework, peer review your mates, join the session for 2 hours, and provide your feedback on a session and a class on the topic. And on Saturday, next topic is available, and there are basically the same activities per each topic, while we have 6 of our topics done. So what else, what do we have in this course? Again, upcoming events, a welcome message from my colleague, Joaquin, course information available, what we are studying, again, a little information from Moodle, how to submit an assessment on workshop activity and how to review and comment the workshop activity, how we are using Zoom, how to use feedback activity. And here is the gem I promised you. We have a book, Mastering Change, available online for you. It's not a mandatory material for you to study. Interesting to grasp a little bit more of ideas. Don't hesitate and ask which conversations you should refer to on which topics that we are studying in this course. And to do that, I encourage you to come into forums and just submit your question, and everybody will receive an email with your question and can come and answer your peers and as well as faculty. So let's post it in the forum, discuss this topic, and you can go in and submit a reply. That's it. Really easy self-study platform, really few features that are really essential. You can explore some more, and if you have any remaining questions, please write in WhatsApp group, which we oriented to how we are teaching this course. If you have any issues with that, pretty quickly just write in the WhatsApp group if you have any doubts, and we'll receive it, or some of your peers will confirm. If there is something that is on what we are studying, on a subject, materials, please write in forums. Why? Because all the content that is generated in this course we will store in the system, and it will be available for you after the course is finished. What is are the questions and answers of your peers, assessments, reviews, reinforcements, everything will be available for you to review in a while and get a next level of understanding. So thank you very much. Enjoy the course.